Lumberjacks face constant danger, where a single mistake can be disastrous. The roar of chainsaws cracking wood and massive trees crashing down create a mix of awe and peril. These gripping scenes offer a fresh look at their challenging work. Don't miss this breathtaking footage. Rewritten text in English. The worker skillfully uses the Style MS 500i chainsaw to execute the L-cut technique for tree felling. First, he makes a precise angled cut into the tree trunk, followed by 2 side cuts, and finishes with a horizontal cut. With this precise and professional method, the tree falls gently without posing any danger. Truly impressive. However, farmers and workers who lack proper tree cutting techniques and safety measures have caused severe consequences, including damage to property and loss of lives. Therefore, always wear protective gear and learn the proper cutting techniques to prevent unfortunate accidents. Besides manual chainsaws, modern saw machines like the Husqvarna 572X Pischer are now available. They not only boost productivity, but also ensure safety. These machines can perform multiple functions, such as cutting, grabbing, and bark peeling, making them incredibly convenient and showcasing advanced technology. Take a look at the Vermeer BC 1000XL wood chipper. It operates like a hungry child, quickly chewing through logs and turning them into sharp wood chips in an instant. Amazing, isn't it? The Rayco RG74T-R stump grinder is even more powerful. With its ultra-sharp blades and robust engine, it efficiently grinds down excess tree stumps in no time. Watching it work with such precision is truly fascinating. Here we have the John Deere 2154 G log loader, effortlessly lifting large logs into the high-speed chipper. This process not only saves manpower, but also optimizes time. A multifunctional machine like the Wood-Mizer LT15, capable of cutting, splitting, drilling, and bundling logs neatly, is a perfect assistant for anyone in the industry. Massive logs are loaded onto transport trucks like the CAT 538 to be delivered to designated locations. For challenging terrains, heavy-duty trucks such as the Kenworth W990 are the ideal choice for hauling large timber. However, overloading these trucks can lead to severe damage to property and risk to health. Fortunately, heavy-duty towing vehicles like the Volvo VNX 300 are always ready to provide timely support in tough situations. sharp blades of the DeWalt DW745, saw-operated by skilled workers, produce beautiful and evenly cut wood products. This highlights the importance of wearing protective gear and adhering to safety standards at work. Additionally, the Caterpillar 320D multifunctional wood chipper can grind any type of wood within seconds, producing fine wood chips almost instantly. A true marvel of modern technology. Large logs are processed through the fully automated Altendorf WA80 saw machine, requiring no human assistance while ensuring precise cuts to the nearest centimeter. Watching these machines operate seamlessly is a testament to the extraordinary advancements in technology. Furthermore, wood splitters like the Kindling Cracker King come with various operational modes. Some are fully automated, while others require human effort. Each type offers a unique and efficient experience in the workplace. Today, with continuous advancements in science and technology, even more modern machines are being developed to meet human needs. Thanks to these machines, work time is significantly reduced while productivity is exponentially increased, elevating our quality of life. These innovations have also drastically reduced the number of workplace accidents. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next episodes where we'll explore more exciting machinery. And now let's take a closer look at some of these cutting-edge wood-cutting machines. Enjoy!
All over the central part of Effingham.